Welcome back to Rainex Forge Studio. Today I'll show you how I built a custom rivet nut tool, using only scrap material from my workshop. No fancy parts, no store-bought kits. Everything you see here was made with what I had on hand. And the best part, it cost me nothing. The goal was to create a rivet nut tool that works with multiple sizes, so I designed it with interchangeable threaded tips. Here's a close look at the components. Simple, solid, and practical. I even made several heads to match different rivet nut diameters. The knurled nut lets you quickly swap heads without extra tools. Smooth, fast, and tight. Test fitting a rivet nut into steel. Solid grip, clean finish. Strong enough for real force, but compact for tight spaces. And it wouldn't be complete without a quick test. Let's try installing a nut into a thick steel plate. Tighten the threads, and done. The result, rock solid, no movement, no failure. This DIY rivet nut setter proves you don't need to spend money to solve real workshop problems. Let's enjoy the process with music in the background. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe if you want more hands-on metalwork and homemade tools. See you next time.